There's an Oklahoma boating event happening a mile down the street. We just finished our Oklahoma Boating Expo, and we were wanting to continue that momentum. Events like this cost thousands of dollars, and we're gonna pass all those savings on to you, the consumer. A mile down the street, we're at 21st and Sheridan, free parking. We're gonna be open later hours. We've got more than 40 boats on hand on our showroom. We've got more than 200 boats in total inventory. We've got brands like Vexus, Camus, Robalo, Chaparral, Bennington Tri-Tunes, and Mastercraft. We've got some great inventory. We've got some great factory rebates in excess of more than $100,000. We've got some great low rate financing on some of our closeout 2024 models. You are not going to want to miss this opportunity. This is going to be the best opportunity to find a boat if you're looking for something in 2025. Stop in at 21st and Sheridan. We might be able to save you some time. We will definitely save you some money. This is our Vexus ACX 2000 aluminum center console. This boat is powered with a Mercury 150 Pro XS. This is our most popular Vexus aluminum center console that we have. This boat is sold, but we have many others on order coming in. This boat is set up for our new owner and all the new electronics and trolling motors loaded onto it. This is a 2025 model. All 2024 and 2025 models do come with a free boat cover and a $500 gift card. Like I said, this is a center console. You've got great rod storage. You have your battery on-off switch right here at the helm. Got a huge rear casting deck, so you got plenty of room to cast off the back of the boat. Great helm station. We have a rear live well. Flip up back seats. More rod storage, plenty of space. Got a bait well right here in the front. Just tons of storage throughout this whole boat. Got a great casting deck here in the front for your foot pedals and your trolling motors, seat bases. Great center console. Like I said, this is the Vexus ACX 2000.